Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn your social media into an Islamic education platform instead of spending your times on these platforms for hours and hours. So let's get started with the Instagram. The first thing you do, go to your Instagram and follow all of the celebrities like Taylor Swift, Justin Bieber, Dua Lipa, Kim Kardashian, Cristiano Ronaldo, all of the celebrities. Let's do it. The second thing you do is to limit the sensitive content on your Insta Explorer page. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy. Go to your Instagram main profile page. On the right top corner there is a hamburger button. Okay, you want to press it and type suggested content, and you will have only one result. Go to that and please choose sensitive content. After selecting, choose the less option and make sure you confirm your choice. Okay, after confirming, go back to the previous page and go to the specific words and phrases. We want to set up like additional settings. Here you want to add like specific words, phrase, emojis. If the content or post have this kind of phrase or emojis in their description, this contents will be restricted to your Insta Explorer page. For let's say I want to restrict the content which has clubbing word in their description, so I write like clubbing, save it, and we can add more. For example, bikini, naked, dancing, nightlife, and so on. Okay, you can add more and later you can change it, but please add like the keywords which spreads the immorality. If you're an iPhone user, there is a very good setting. You can set a time limit for any application, and I'll show you how to do it. Go to your iPhone setting and search for screen time, and when you go to a screen time you will see app limits. Go there, choose the add limit. You might be asked your enter screen time passcode, and please enter it, and you will have like several different categories: social, games, entertainment. Select the social and you will have all of your social media application. So please choose like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook that you want to set a time limit, and after that press next and you will have a time setting. Okay, and I would suggest you should set 1 hour initially, and then you can reduce it to 20 to 30 minutes later on, inshallah. Even you may end up not using social media at all. After setting, just add, and that's it. The last thing you want to do is to remove the sexual content from your Insta Explorer page and replace it with Islamic teachings like Quran and Sunnah, and I'll show you how to do it. So go to your Instagram Explorer page and you will see all of the contents which are unrelated to the Islamic teachings, okay, which spreads the immorality, nakedness, and hedonism. So you want to remove. How you do it? It's very easy. Press on top of that content and you will see not interested option in the pop-up menu. Just press it and you do the same process, all of the contents which are unrelated to Islamic teachings, which is haram. Okay, let's do it. So after you're doing so, go to the search bar, just write Quran, press enter, like search. On the top press tags, or maybe in the for you option is also okay. Go through all of the contents which are related to Quranic Sunnah and teachings of Islam. Okay, like it, do it like several times. Make sure you don't want to like posts which has music, which haram is mixed. After pressing liking, even you can copy the link, which helps the algorithm to trigger that this kind of contents you like and you want to have this kind of contents more in your Insta Explorer page. When you go back to your Insta Explorer page and refresh it, boom, you have 70–80% of your Insta Explorer contents are Islamic now. These are Quranic verses, Quranic recitation, and Sunnah, and that's it. Whenever you visit the Instagram, first you want to watch like all of the Islamic contents on Insta Explorer page and like it, because it helps the algorithm to spread this kind of contents to more people. Okay, and also the more people watch after you share it or maybe like it, and the more the reward you will get, inshallah. And then the opposite is also true. Whenever you see like inappropriate content, please make sure you remove it. Never ever press like button or share with someone else, because whoever sees because of you and whoever likes it it and shares it, and you will get the sin for that. And this is very dangerous, and don't let the immorality spread to other people, inshallah. When it comes to YouTube, is an easy process, so I'll show you how to do it. So go to your YouTube and search for 1 minute Quran recitation, and you will have like bunch of options, and please make sure you choose the video which has like less than 1 minute, because it's not that long, and I want you to make this consistent and habit, and just watch it from beginning to the end and like it. And whenever you visit the YouTube, you watch 1 minute Quran recitation, and you can continue watching your video you wanted to watch. Okay, this makes the very good strong relationship with the Quran and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the bonus tip for those who wanted to make very strong relationship, inshallah, when you're searching for other videos, you can play the Quranic recitation in the background while you're searching for other videos. By that, so you can spend your time very wisely and earn reward for that, inshallah. You can just play the Quranic recitation and skip it down, and you can search for other videos and until you find it. In general, social media has more negative impact than its benefits. Try not to use it as much as you can. Instead, you can learn new things and improve your career path and become a better person. Hope this will change you. And if you like this kind of video, please subscribe, follow for more. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.